Hello and welcome to another video tutorial of WordPress. In this video, we will see how can we add uh, background effect for our Elementor containers. So what we need to add this beautiful effects, we need two plugins, Marquee Addons, Marquee Addons Pro. I have already installed both plugins and just click on here and add a container. So we have already added a container. So we need we can add some text and text editor widget to it to make it look it or to make it more beautiful. And text editor, yes, and we can change its background. For an example, I will add background this one. Okay, I'll add this one. Okay, so we need to change text color to make it more visible to us. And for this one, change the text color here. Okay, it looks good. And just change and set min height. Okay, so we have already set min height, so now our container looks a little bit visible to us. So we are ready to add our effect for our container. So simply click on this container and click on style, and we can see here there is an option MA background. So by default it's set as a default. So if we click on beam effect, so we can see the changes in preview. So click on publish and click on preview changes. So here we can see beam effect here. Okay, so it looks good. We can change its color, head color, tail color. So I want head and tail both white, and I want more uh, beams here. Okay, and we can set also a direction, left to right or right to left, and we can set our speed. So right now I'm not gonna do that. I've set up basic configuration for this beams. Just click on publish, and we can see that here now how beam look like. So this is how actually uh, beam effect works. And we can change also aurora. So aurora effect, for this one we can change uh, 5 color or choose 5 color. For an example, I choose red, I choose blue. Third color for this one, fourth a little bit blue, not blue, make it little bit violet, and lastly make it pink. And if we click on publish and see the changes, you can see the effect, aurora effect. So this is what we can do with our aurora background effect. And there is another option, so you can change also more configuration here. And there is another option, grid box. So change the color, so make it white. So let's size 50, type outline. Okay, so I'm stick with default configuration, so you can change by your own. Just simply hit the publish button again, and so this is how it looks like, this effects grid box. So there is another option, gradient glow. So by default there is default configuration, so I'm not gonna change that. So you can change also gradient glow. You can change by your own, and you can set your configuration. You can change, you can add more color to it, remove color you want, change the color, glow color. Just simply hit the publish button and see how it looks like. Here we can see. So this is how actually gradient glow works. So this is actually what we can do with our MA or Marquee background effects. Thanks for watching.